Okay, today hopefully going to install custom off-road bash plates on my 2012 BT50. So they've turned up in two beautiful boxes here, as you can see, and we're going to roll it out and get ready and install it, see how we go, ready for the trip. We've got the front plate we'll have to take off, and the sump plate, and at the moment there's no transfer or diff case down the back, so I've just got to figure out where that'll go, and that'll hook into these. So we'll pull these off now and get ready to install. You can see how much protection this actually gives right up the back, because right to where the Corona box is, right up on that frame, that was all unprotected. You got all the gearbox up under there, so it really didn't fathom how far it came back until I actually just put it in. And note to self, if you're doing it by yourself, either get a carton to hold one end up, because it's a real pain in the butt trying to do it my Russell Coit fashion on my own. So we'll try for the front ones now. So it's tricky, but if I was a lot cleverer and wasn't so Russell Coity, it'd probably be a lot easier. But just holding it up, I could see we're on a lift with two people, it'd be a lot easier than on the ground. But my Slightys custom canvas mat is come in handy. I haven't lost anything yet, and we'll see how we go with the last bit. Come with a really good protective film, and because it's a bash plate, you don't want to get it scratched. So we're only going to take off this part for now. Somehow, there we go. So you can get the flash. Well, underneath now, this is just nearly at the back of the driver's door. That's how far this comes back. And then under the gearbox sump, and then up to the front. Alright, it's all installed. A few hand marks on it. It looks absolutely amazing. It certainly protects a heap more than I had on it before. Right under the truck and right down to nearly the end of the door in equivalency. So, custom off-road bash plates, great service, fast delivery, highly recommended so far. Let's see how she goes when we test it out on the off-road area. Overall, the installation was pretty easy. It certainly looks the part. It's definitely a lot better than the original bash plates that came on it. So on the Gibb River Road, we then went on to the Columbaroo Road, which overnight had rain, and this is us returning on that road from Mitchell Falls, which is magic, by the way, highly recommended. The road's not great. So you can see the car took a bit of a battering with all the mud, actually still getting that kind of mud gunk off the chassis, even now, a year later. It looked beautiful. You also hit the sand, and beautiful Dampier Peninsula. There were so many times where you could definitely tell the bash plates were being bashed. Yes, we did get out of that eventually, but it certainly turned up well, and they're still holding on well today. So highly recommended. Give them a look.